What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lee Vlogs. Today is just an unboxing video. I have received my new exhaust from AWE and I thought I would unbox it for you guys. I did end up going with the track edition, so we'll see what all comes in the box. No further ado, let's get on with the vlog.
That should bring it.
If this is your first time coming through to the channel, this is my 2014 Corvette. This is primarily what my channel is centered around. So far the modifications I've done to it is just American racing headers, 2-inch headers, and the X-pipe so far. I've done some aesthetic modifications like the Z06 scoop and the Z06 Front Grille, Lambo Taillights as well. But yeah, this is my build so far, and we're just adding more. So if you like Corvettes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the team. Alright, let's get on with this unboxing. So, I went with AWE's Track Edition exhaust. I'll let you guys pause the video right now and guess what color my tips are. So go ahead and hit that pause button. Comment below. Alright. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay. So, first things first, the packaging looks pretty good. Cannot complain. Let me just show you guys real quick. Alright, that dog is not going to stop barking, I'm guessing. Just trying to shoot a video. So, in here, it's probably the tips. We're going to save that for last. Nothing in here. Okay. Looks like we have this is all the clamps and some heat shielding piping and some zip ties. There. Alright, looks like we got our first piece of the exhaust. This would be the passenger side of the exhaust right here. Okay. Welds look pretty good. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. Got it on right there. And here's the other side right here. Cool. I believe that is it. Let's move on to, guess we didn't need this, the tips. So let me just go right here. On the box it says unlock performance. It's pretty cool. AWE down there. Let's see here. It's gonna be hard to do with one hand, but I do it for you guys. Oh, you probably got a glimpse, but I decided to go with the black tips. Yeah, how could I choose anything else but the black tips? These are beautiful, by the way. Comes with a lollipop. My color is, or my flavor is watermelon. Don't think I'll be eating this. Yeah, I'm actually pretty impressed with these tips. Whoa, okay, so these are massive. These are, I believe, 4.5-inch tips. Yeah, I mean, if you look at this compared to what I got on there right now, it is pretty intense. So that's what I got on there right now. This, put these next to each other, huh? You can kind of see the difference here. This thing, if you thought it was loud before, let me fully straight pipe now. 2-inch headers. Yeah. Oh, and I also got a new license plate, so that's what the license plate looks like now, guys. But geez, this is huge. Like, I got small hands, but this is massive. I mean, I know it's gonna fit in I know all 4 tips are gonna fit through this bumper, but it's just, geez, some big tips. All right. Well, there we have it. AWE Track Edition. I'm still unsure if I'm gonna try to install this myself. Kind of thinking about it. I know there's some cutting that is involved with it, so I'm kind of nervous about that. I've never really sawzawed anything, any piping or anything like that, so that would be a first. But we might try to tackle this. I don't know. It's up in the air. That's for a later video. But yeah, this is the new exhaust going on the C7, and then we will be fully straight piped. Gotta love it. But like I said earlier, this is your first time coming through to the channel, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of the build so far, what you think of the new exhaust that's going to be on it. But until next time, Lee Vlogs out.